Hi guys, this is Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Shreya Side. So as you must have seen from the caption itself, today's video is another unboxing. I don't know, it's been so long that I'm only shooting my unboxing. So all the videos, we can say that we have started an unboxing series this time. So yeah guys, today's video is another unboxing. This is for the first time I'm gonna unbox products from this site because I have never purchased from this site, neither from their website nor from any other website. This is none other than Clovia. Clovia is a clothing brand actually. I just went through Clovia website few days back and I found that the clothing material which was shown on the site was amazing. When I got through them, while I was just searching ahead, I found that the linen was very nice. Look guys, we cannot predict the linen while viewing it on screen, because on screen and the quality of the product after feeling, touching, wearing it differs a lot. So this is going to be an unboxing. Let's just see. So here I'm having two packages from Clovia. So this one is from Clovia, which I have unwrapped. Actually, this package also came like this, but this came earlier, like 3 days back. So I just unwrapped it and I just saw whether the product is there or not, because this box seems to be so light. I was just confused whether it consists of something or not. So just out of curiosity, I just unwrapped and saw, and I got a sigh of relief. Yeah, the product is there. So I just unwrapped this, but I haven't just sealed out the packing. I've only unwrapped it. I have not unboxed it. I'm gonna unbox here with you all. And second product is this, which I have not yet unwrapped because I feel like there is some weight. So first of all, mentioning from where I have purchased this, I have purchased this from www.clovia.com. Clovia की जो official website है, मैंने उससे ही इसको purchase किया. And this package is for 1437. So whatever product must be inside this, it is for amount 1437. So let's just unwrap them and then unbox them and see what are the actual products which I have ordered, whether I have got the same product or something different, or how they comes out to be. Talking about, here's the product. So here we have two boxes from Clue. We are talking about these boxes. They seem to be so cute. Means I've never seen such packing from any or the other website, whether it's Amazon, Flipkart. I've always seen those brown boxes, brown cardboard boxes which I've bought off. But these seems to be so cute, so beautiful, and so it says hell yes, and same as here. Hell yes. So I'm just gonna zoom and show you the site. So if you want to purchase, you can just link it and shop for yourself. So it is this www.clovia.com. So this is the official website. Now just unbox this box. I literally get confused how to. Okay, it's like this. Okay, that's good. So here I found out a coupon, guys. It has a coupon code and it says it is valid for 30th April, and it is today when I'm shooting this video. Today is the date 5th of April. So it's 5th of April and this is valid for 30 April. It says I will be getting rupees 300 off on shopping of rupees 1499 and above. If any one of you watching my video want to shop from this coupon, you can. I'm just gonna zoom this. You can just copy this code and you can use this, guys, because we are a family, we are a YouTube family, and we can obviously share whatever we want to. So if you want to shop, you can just note down this coupon code and you can shop from my side as well. So this is what I can definitely do for you people. So here we have, so what I ordered is basically, guys, a pair of tee and means a pair of t-shirt and logo, or what do we call them as, so this is how it is wrapped inside. So guys, I have to go a little back to show you all this. So this is a t-shirt which I've ordered. This is in the size small because obviously I'm not gonna fit in any other size other than small. So let me just show you by putting this camera a little bit back so that you can clearly see the cloth. So this is the t-shirt, guys. This is in the size small, and let me tell you about the amount of this t-shirt. This is for rupees 2229. 2229. 2230, that means. So the size is small, obviously. So this is a t-shirt, and I'm gonna pair this t-shirt with this lower. As you can clearly see, this is the lower. It's again in the size small. It has this elastic on the waist so that it can fit you well, and it's even comfortable. So this is the pair of a lower and a t-shirt for which is very good for summer. If you want to go for morning walk, or if you just want to play out and around, so you can definitely wear. This is something very comfortable, whether it's for traveling purpose, whether it's for wearing at home, even if for going somewhere, a very short distance and stuff. So you can definitely pair this up. This will look really very sporty, very comfortable, and at the same time you're gonna look perfect. So this is a pair. The amount of this lower, the actual amount of this lower, let me see if it is mentioned somewhere. Okay, sorry, I got confused. The amount of both of the pair is rupees 2229. So these two means a pair of this low end t-shirt is for rupees 2229. And as you have seen that I got this product for both these products for rupees 1437. Not just these both products, but I have purchased one more product, which is this. I got this shorts for myself. This is gonna be super comfortable, very cool, very breezy, airy, and you can definitely wear this at home or out and about. And the amount of this is rupees 599. Again in the size small. The color is very soothing, very mild, very gentle. So these were the three products which I got for rupees 1437. A very good purchase according to me, a very affordable one and a very genuine. Talking about the product quality, guys, talking about t-shirt first of all, what I feel like is the fabric is not 100% cotton. Let me see if it is written somewhere about the fabric in this. Okay, it's not written something about the means fabric and stuff. When I was searching, I just filtered my shopping by putting on the fabric type cotton, and I came with these options and stuff. So this t-shirt is not 100% cotton stuff, but yeah, it is like 80 to 90% cotton. It is very nice. The cloth is very soft, and I cannot say it is so much soft and very very soft, but yeah, it is good for summers. It will absorb sweat very nicely, definitely, and it's not gonna be very much crumbled in once. You don't need to iron it time and again. It's a good product for wearing at home or for wearing it out and about. Good purchase. Going to the lower, this is something for which I can say it is 100% cotton fabric. When you feel it, when you touch it, you're gonna feel like it's very soft, it's very very gentle, and the fabric is gonna crumble like within seconds. It's gonna crumble like anything. So you need to iron this if you're going somewhere out. Otherwise, the fabric is really amazing. It's very soothing, very airy, very breezy, and super comfortable for summers in order to play, in order to go out. This is a very good product, a very genuine product, and fabric is amazing. Talking about the shorts, it again has this elastic on its waist, and these are very cool, shorts, kind of shorts. These are wide leg shorts, so you can just wear them wherever you want to. Even if you want to wear it at home, you want to go out, it's very good. If few people have I feel like few people have problem in wearing these wide leg shorts, so what you can do is you can wear a tight boy leg shorts, or a tight boy leg which we what do we come as in I don't know in which website, or in every website, even in Clovia, the boy leg shorts are available, which are super skinny, super tight. So if you want, you can wear those inside this. If you want to go out for play, for doing any of the such activity and stuff, then you can definitely pair these wide leg shorts with a boy leg shorts inside these which are super skinny, and otherwise these are very good. The material is very soft, very gentle, again 100% cotton. One more best thing which I felt like is it consists of pocket. इसके दोनों तरफ pocket हैं, and I just love the cloth which consists of pocket. मतलब इसमें दोनों ही तरफ पॉकेट है, एंड ऐसे कपड़े जो है घर में पहनने बहुत कंफर्टेबल होते हैं क्योंकि इसमें पॉकेट है. आई डोंट थिंक इसमें पॉकेट थी लोगों में. ओके या इसकी लोगों में भी पॉकेट है. सो दिस इज समथिंग very good, very good actually. So these were the products inside this big box. Now talking about the chotu box, what we have inside is, why do it get so tricky for me to open this? Okay, let me bring this camera close first of all. Yeah, I know why this opening a box becomes so tricky for me sometimes. I just don't get this. Yeah, so guys, here the products inside these are, there are 3 products. Basically these are 3 means a pair of 3 is not a pair of 3. These are 3 pieces of seamless panty for all the girls over there. What is the difference between a normal panty and a seamless panty is that I'm just gonna unwrap one and show you what is the basic difference between a seamless panty and a normal panty. It's quite weird to show, you know, something as such on camera, but why to feel weird? If we're gonna wear this, we're gonna talk about this. That's normal stuff, so don't feel weird. Even I'm not feeling weird to show you my seamless panty on camera, so why to feel weird? So hey, how it looks like. It has an elastic band on the waist. Talking about the difference between a normal panty and a seamless panty, what do we girls do? Basically during summers we go to gym, we hit gym, we go for various sports, we go for many activities, and we generally wear leggings, we wear jeggings, we wear all those skinny tight jeans and skinny fit body hugging lowers and down pants, which are like very comfortable. Although it has turned out to be comfortable, but what happens is that our normal panties, they show out our very panty linings दिखती हैं हमारी जो नॉर्मल पैंटीज होती है उनकी, और वो पैंटी लाइंस जो होती हैं वो आपके पूरे ड्रेस का, आपके पूरे एक बहुत ही रिच फैब्रिक का नाश मार देती हैं. अगर आपने कितना ही महंगा कपड़ा पहना है, आपने कितनी ही महंगी जीन्स पहनी है, मगर उस जीन्स के बाहर अगर आपकी पैंटी लाइंस विजिबल होती है ना, तो बहुत चीप लगता है. और मेरे तो समझ में नहीं आता कि लोग कैसे पहनते हैं ऐसे कपड़े. बहुत ही ज्यादा शैबी लगता है, बहुत ज्यादा चीप लगता है और बहुत ही ज्यादा डाउन मार्केट लगता है. तो ऐसे में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जब भी आप ऐसी कोई बॉडी हगिंग ड्रेस पहने, बॉडी हगिंग जीन्स पहने या बहुत स्किनी टाइट फिटिंग की जीन्स पहने, तो उसमें आप ऐसी सीमलेस पैंटी ले सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं कि इनकी जो एंडिंग है वो बिल्कुल भी रिफाइन नहीं है, ये बिल्कुल नॉर्मल कपड़ा है. तो इसमें कोई भी आपके बाहर जो है कोई भी ऐसी सीम मतलब लाइनिंग्स नहीं दिखने वाली हैं. सो दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई डू वी कॉल देम एज सीमलेस पैंटीज. इनका जो शेप है वो इसी तरीके से इनको इसी तरीके से शेप किया गया है कि ये कभी भी जो लाइंस है बाहर शो ना करें. इसका जो अमाउंट है वो है ₹500 फॉर वन. आई डोंट नो मैंने कितने की खरीदी थी. आई गॉट दीज 3 फॉर 700. ऑल्दो ये 500 की एक है, बट मुझे 3 लेने पे 700 की मिली थी. इट वॉज एन ऑफर गोइंग ऑन एट क्लोविया. सो one thing which you need to remember for these seamless panty is that never wash them in a washing machine, because washing machine में धो के, क्योंकि बहुत soft होती हैं तो ये बहुत जल्दी खिंच जाती हैं और खराब हो सकता है इनका इलास्टिक. Second thing जो इसमें लिखा भी होता है वो है कि wash separately. This product has special colors. Please wash it separately to retain its awesomeness. Because as you can literally see कि इसके जो कलर है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा पॉप कलर है, बहुत ही डिफरेंट कलर है. तो इसको आप सेपरेटली वॉश करेंगे डेफिनेटली इसका कलर जो है वो ऐसे ही बना रहेगा. So the other two are in a color skin color. This is in a skin color and this is in a maroon shade. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this video will be useful for you all. So yeah, that's all. Please share this video, like this video, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल गाइज. आई डोंट नो, लोग आते हैं वीडियो देख के चले जाते हैं, सब्सक्राइब करना क्यों भूल जाते हैं. सब्सक्रिप्शन इज फॉर फ्री, सब्सक्राइब करने में पैसे नहीं लगते हैं. ऐसे और बहुत से ऑसम वीडियोस आते रहेंगे आगे. तो मेक श्योर यू हैव सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, और सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ आप जो बेल आइकन है उसको भी प्रेस करके रखें सो दैट आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए मैं जब भी अगली वीडियो डालूं. एंड दैट्स ऑल. शेयर दिस विद योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, रिलेटिव, एवरीवन, एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो. subscribe to my channel, guys, and do comment down. I don't know why don't you people comment. Please comment and tell me what you people are liking, what you're not liking, what you want me to make on videos on, about, and for. So let me know. Do comment, do tell me your opinions. Bye bye, take care of yourself, love you all, guys.